The overall goal of training rats on this reaching task involving a robotic manipulandum is to investigate the processes underlying motor skill learning and motor function recovery.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of behavioral neuroscience, specifically related to the mechanisms underlying motor learning and memory formation, as well as loss and recovery of function after brain damage or stroke.
The main advantage of this technique are that the rat training and data analysis is easy to perform, and that it is more objective than other conventional single-pellet reaching tasks. Moreover, the robotic manipulandum allows for better analysis of kinematics.
In preparation, always allow newly acquired rats to habituate to their new home cages for at least a week before training them. During this time, handle the rats regularly and feed them the reward pellets used for the training protocol. To begin the training process, first spend 2 or 3 days habituating the rats to the test cage. The first task is to train the rats to simply touch the spherical handle through the cage window and to then move to the opposite side of the cage and retrieve a food reward. First, adjust the software settings so that the handle is located just outside the testing cage window. Now put the rat in the training cage and hold a pellet near the handle. Direct the rat's attention.